Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter. This is chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is January 9. Okay. In this chapter we have heard about a character whose name was Halku. Halku was a farmer and he was doing a tenant farming. In a tenant farming, a person take land from another person and he do farming in that land, and in return he have to give some amount of money as a rent. So Halku was in his home, and outside his home a landlord was standing for rent. So he was insisting his wife to give 3 rupees to him so that he can give that amount of money to the landlord. After that we have understand that he was in the field and continuously cold weather was tormenting him. He was feeling very cold. He was wearing an old shawl, and since the cold was very tormenting him, means it was disturbing him, it was not allowing him to sleep, so he hugged his dog Jabra so that he can get some warmth of his dog. Okay, so from now we will continue from here. Another hour passed. The night fanned up the cold with the wind. Halku sat up. Now another hour was passing. Night fanned up means continuously in night air was continuously blowing, cold wind was continuously blowing. Halku sat up. It seemed as though ice rather than blood filled his vein. Means it was like that in his vein. It will be what? It will be like ice. जैसे कि एक आइस जम गई हो, एक बर्फ जम गया हो उसकी वीन में, उसके खून में. He leaned back to look at the sky. Now from his upper body he was looking the sky. How much of the night was still left? He was asking that how much night is still left. अभी कितनी रात बाकी है? The dipper had not yet climbed half the sky. Now he was saying, till now half night has not passed. By the time it was overhead, it would probably be morning. Night would last another 3 hours or so. Now he was saying to himself that after 3 to 4 hours, definitely morning will be there. So I have to bear only for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, now. Close to Halku field there was a mango grove. Means where he was in his field, from his field there were some mango grove. Means mango grove. Grove means number of trees of mango. Halku thought, if I go and get a pile of leaves. Now Halku is thinking that if I will go and if I will get a pile of leaves, means if I will collect number of leaves, I can make a fire of them. मैं आग लगा सकता हूँ उससे, and keep warm, and I can keep myself warm. If anybody sees me gathering the leaves in the dead of night, they will think it is a ghost. Means if anyone will see me, then he will think that definitely he is a ghost, right? Because in the midnight who will come to collect the leaves? Of course there is a chance some animals hidden in my field waiting. Of course there is a chance, हो सकता है that animals are hidden in my field waiting. हो सकता है वहाँ पे animals छुपे हों. But I can't stand sitting here any longer. But now he is saying that I cannot sit here because continuously cold weather is going on, and now it is tormenting me and it is influencing me badly. So I must go there and I must took a fire. Now he ripped up some stalk from a nearby field. Now he was tearing some stalk, some leaves from the nearby field, and then he made a broom. उसने झाड़ू बनाई उससे, and picked up a lighted cow dung cake, went toward the grove. Jabra watched him coming and ran to him wagging his tail. Now he also took up some cow dung. उसने गोबर भी लिए, and now he was going towards the grove. अब वो पेड़ के पास जा रहा था. Jabra was watching all this. Jabra was seeing all this, and now he was running and wagging his tail. Wagging his tail means to move his tail up and down. Halku said, I couldn't stand it anymore. Jabra, come along, let's go into the orchard and gather leaves to warm up with. Now Halku is saying that it is impossible for me to stay here. Let's go from here to the orchard. Orchard means a piece of land where fruit trees are grown. Okay, let's go to the orchard and we will gather leaves there. We will collect leaves there and then we will burn fire and then we will warm ourselves. Okay, and when we will be toasted means when we will warm ourselves, then we will come back and then we will sleep. जब हम लोग गर्म हो जाएंगे फिर हम लोग वापस आके सो जाएंगे. Now, under the trees it was a pitch dark. The bitter wind blew, buffeting the leaves and drops of dew dripped from the branches. Now, what happened? Under the trees it was pitch dark. Means it was pitch dark. बहुत अंधेरा था. The bitter wind blew. Means bitter wind means जो हवाएं थी, it was what? It was very bitter. It was very bad. Continuously they were blowing and buffeting the leaves. Means they were pushing the leaves here and there. And drops of dew dripped from the branches. ओस भी गिर रही थी from the branches. वहाँ से शाखाओं से. Jabra had found a bone and he was chewing on it. Jabra had found a bone. उसने एक bone आ गया वो कहीं से और उसको वो चबा रहा था. Halku set his fire down on the ground and began to gather the leaves. Now what Halku was doing? He set up a fire. उसने आग लगाई ground में and he was gathering more and more leaves. और भी leaves इकट्ठा कर रहा था. In a little while he had a great heap. His hands were frozen, his bare feet numb. Now in a little while, in a very short period of time, he has collected lot of leaves. He has maintained a heap. He has maintained a great mountain. His hands were frozen, but his hand was frozen. उसके हाथ बिल्कुल ठंडे हो चुके थे. And his bare feet numb. His bare feet, जो उसके bare feet मतलब जो उसके नंगे पाँव थे वो अब numb हो चुके थे. Means they have stopped feeling anything. उन्होंने कुछ भी feel करना stop कर दिया था. His hands were frozen. उसके hands भी froze हो गए थे. But he piled up a regular mountain of the leaves and by making a fire out of them, he would burn away the cold. But now he has made a pile. उसने एक पहाड़ बना लिया था from the leaves and now he was making a fire from them. उसने आग लगाई वहाँ से and he would burn away the cold and he was burning the cold. और वो ठंड को क्या कर रहा था? जला रहा था. In a little while the fire was burning branches. In the flickering light the immense trees of the grove looked as though they were carrying the vast darkness on their head. Now in a little while कुछ ही समय में fire was continuously burning but the light was flickering. लेकिन जो light जो जल रही थी it was flickering. Why it was flickering? Because continuously cold winds were blowing, right? And darkness was in their head. और बहुत घना अंधेरा था उनके सर के ऊपर. Halku sat before the fire and let it warm him. Halku was sitting near the fire and he was making him warm. अपने आप को वो गरम कर रहा था. After a while he took off his shawl. कुछ समय के बाद उसने अपना शॉल हटाया. Then he spread out both feet as though challenging the cold to do its worst. And after that he was also spreading out his feet also. उसने अपने पैर भी फैलाए as it was like that he is challenging the cold. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो cold को ठंड को challenge कर रहा हो. That you can do your worst. तुम जितना बुरा कर सकते हो उतना बुरा करो. Victorious over the immense power of the winter, he could not repress his pride in his trouble. Means he was feeling very proud. He was feeling very victorious. बहुत अच्छा feel हो रहा था उसे. Why he was feeling victorious? Because he has beaten the cold. उसने cold को मात दे दी थी by burning the fire. He was having a pride feeling. Which type of feeling? Pride feeling. वो pride feel कर रहा था. Okay. Now he said to Jabra, well Jabra, you were not cold now, are you? Now he was asking from his dog Jabra that are you feeling cold? So Jabra barked as though to say, how could I feel cold now? So Jabra was barking loudly and he was saying that how can I feel cold now? Because you have burned the fire. So now I am not feeling any cold. Okay. Now come to the question answer. Question number 4. What does Munni mean when she says find work for farming someone else's land? So what does Munni mean by saying this? So Munni is being sarcastic. Munni is what? Munni is sad. She actually means it is not fine work farming someone else's land. Means he do not want that Halku should work in the land of some other person. Because when he work in the land of some other person, he do not earn any amount of money. Okay? So that is why she was saying that there is no need to work, no need to do farming in someone else's land. Why did Halku look as though he were tearing his heart out and giving it away? ऐसा क्यों लग रहा था कि वो अपना दिल चीर के किसी को पैसे दे रहा है? Halku looked as if he was tearing his heart out and giving it away because it was like that he was tearing his heart. अपने दिल को वो चीर के अपने पैसे दे रहा है. Why? Because he had to give the landlord all the money he had saved piece by piece. This was the money to buy the blanket. As you all know that by so much of difficulty he has collected 3 rupees, and that 3 rupees he has collected for purchasing a blanket, but now he has to give that to the landlord. So that is why he was feeling very sad. It was like that he was tearing his heart and giving that money to the landlord. Now, is the first sentence in section 2 a complete? Why do you think it is written like this? So it is written like this to give a general picture of night. Okay, why we have written this type of sentence? So that we can picturize that it is night, it is very very dark, बहुत अंधेरा है, and it is January, so it is very very cold. Next, how do we know that Halku loves the dog? Give 2 examples of how he shows his love. Okay, so now we have to give 2 examples. 2 ways in which Halku displayed his love for his dog. So as you know that Halku loved his dog very very much, right? So what were the 2 ways in which he can display that he loved his dog a lot? He had told Jabra to stay in the house and enjoy the comfort of the warm straw. So the first way from which he has expressed his love towards his dog was that he said to Jabra that why you are coming with me in the field, you should stay at home and you should take the comfort, you should enjoy the comfort of warm straw. तुम्हें warm straw में वहाँ पे घर पे रहना चाहिए था, comfort लेना चाहिए था. He hugged the dog tightly and didn't mind his smell. And secondly, how he has expressed his love? By hugging him tightly in the cold weather and didn't minding his smell. He was smelling very badly. A bad stink was coming from his body, from the body of the dog. But then too he didn't mind the smell, and then too he was hugging the dog very tightly as a brother will hug to his brother, right? So these were the 2 ways in which he was showing his love towards the dog. So this is your classwork you have to do in your copy. Hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.